Hello friends, welcome to LinuxTopic. Today's our topic is cron. Generally cron runs a minute, but today we will learn and execute a cron in a second. So how? Just we use a slip command and delay cron for a second. So let's start. First we check LSB release. It's Ubuntu 16. Now we check status of daemon cron. It's working and running. Now we create a cron file in cron.d directory, etc cron.d, any name like min. First is a minute, second hour, day, month, and week of day. User root, and just we will echo a date for testing purpose and redirect the logs in temp, any file names like cron.log. Now we will set this cron for 59. Just we use a slip for 1 second. It's a second execution, so it's a delay by 1 second. Second, third, fourth, and like 59 we will copy this line. Now just update a sleep time. We increase the count like 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is just wait to execute a echo date and print on temp cron.log. Just we updated 59 seconds. Now we will save and exit. Just check a log file temp cron.log. There is no available. Now we print a date. We have to just wait 14 seconds. Now again print date. It's 26. Again date 43. $50. Now is 58. Yeah. Now we just check a log. It's working. It's a first print 15, 55. Now we will live log using tell command. Just tell minus f. Yeah, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. It's working for every second. Thanks for the watching.